Alright everyone, welcome to the Moldex3D webinar for Advanced Meshing Techniques. My name is Alex Baker. I'm an Applications Engineer at the Moldex3D office in Detroit, Michigan. I've been here for about 2 years, and I'm not only a preacher of Moldex3D, but I also use Moldex3D quite a bit in my job function. So you can know that all of the suggestions here are from a user as well as Moldex3D personnel. Alright, so this webinar is for advanced meshing techniques and some new functionality in the R15 version of Moldex3D. So what we'll be covering here is some new enhancements in the Designer BLM meshing kernel. We'll be talking about some CAD Doctor function enhancements for those of you that have used CAD Doctor. This will be a very nice feature for you guys. Non-matching mesh, actually this is going to be a huge advancement. We've been kind of hinting at it for the last about half of a year, but now it is an actual function that has been implemented. And then new runner meshing technology is going to enhance the visual characteristics of your runner before you actually go through the meshing process. So we'll get to that. Alright, so Designer BLM. The main enhancement here is going to be the mixed type runner system. So we can combine a geometry runner and a curve runner in the same model. So before we could have either one or the other, and it was a very complicated mixture where you had to either try and approximate a geometry based on lines, which as you can see in this case, wouldn't really be possible, or we had to import the geometry and create a large element quantity boundary layer mesh. So with our new enhancement here, we are able to combine the two, basically creating a line-defined runner system for the bulk of the runner system, and then for maybe the gate geometry or maybe the cold runner section of your system, you can import that geometry rather than having to approximate with that.